Okay, I'm about ready to start germinating. So here I have my Jiffy pellets in the tray. Now, normally I don't think you have to worry about fungus gnats with these pellets. They're dry, they're compacted. There shouldn't be any eggs in them, but I prefer not to take the chance. Not only that, but using hot water will get them to expand quicker. So I have my big bowl here, and all I'm going to do is toss these Jiffy pellets into the bowl. There, that's a good start for now. And then all I'm going to do is take some boiling water and pour it on top of them. And they'll expand nicely and quickly. I'll be back after they're fully expanded. Okay, so you might have been thinking, why use such a big bowl? Well, look at how much they've expanded. And now I've got to put them over into the tray. Now, one thing I muchly prefer to do when I'm doing this is use a bowl. Because then once they're expanded, they've absorbed everything they need to get started. Then you just put them back in the tray. Too many times over the years, I've expanded them in the tray. I didn't dump the excess water out, and that has led to dampening off of my plants, which, is not a good thing. So there we are, all set up, looking good. And I'm just gonna get all these into this tray, and then we'll be taking it downstairs to get some seeds in it. Okay, so I'm all set up to start germinating now, and this is going to be how I've got things set. So over on this table here, there's my Jiffy pods with the lid on. And there is my Growtronics setup. Now it is hung at 25 inches, and at 25 inches I'm getting 11,900 lumens, which works out to roughly 1.78.5 par ppfd. So that's not too bad. That should work nicely. Come over here onto this rack. There's my Jiffy pods sitting there. And then up to the Mars Hydro. Now the Mars Hydro is hung at 28 inches, and it's giving lumens of 16,845, which gives me a ppfd of roughly 252.68. So that's going to be great for germinating and for seedlings. And then come over here. Now this here's a Planter's Pride box, and it's got the bigger coir pods in it and a small Jiffy pod. And this is where the Bloom Plus is hung. So there's my Bloom Plus up there, and it is hung at 28.5 inches, and it's giving 14,850 lumens, which is about 222.75 ppfd. So all of these should work good, and we'll see how we do with germinating. Now all I gotta do is wait for the seeds to come up. Anyways, that is the update for the start of my germination, and looking forward to it. This is going to be fun. Once they're germinated, once they're past the seedling, I'll get my greenhouse set up, and I'll be moving these lights out to the greenhouse to be supplemental lighting. So that's it for today. Have yourself a good day and enjoy growing plants.